It finally happened. Tether dropped the biggest financial audit in history. Shockwaves hit the crypto world. Critics claiming reserves were fake are now completely silenced. Everything changes today. Critics screamed the reserves were a lie, a giant house of cards. But then, independent auditors stepped in. They verified the assets, checked the cash, and silenced the doubters. The truth is out. Look at this. Every single USDT token is backed by real, verified assets. No magic, no empty promises, only cold, hard proof. In a world of crypto chaos, this transparency changes everything. Look at these charts. Transparency is skyrocketing. This massive audit is shaking the crypto world, forcing every other stablecoin to finally prove their reserves. The days of hiding in the shadows are officially over. Wall Street giants analyze audit results. Trust skyrockets. Now, massive banks prepare to flood crypto markets with billions in new capital. Institutional wave starts now. Watch money move. Look at them run. Everyday traders flooding exchanges, buying USDT with absolute certainty. No hesitation. No fear. They believe this is the safe haven. But in this market, is absolute confidence a shield or a trap? Regulators scanned audit report. Officials searched for flaws, desperate to find errors. Instead, they found solid proof. Now, policy must change. Old rules die today. Watch them bend now. Tether dominates crypto market. Rivals panic. Competitors rush audits to survive. Desperate fight for trust. Giant shadow looms. Watch closely. Panic spreads fast. No one safe. Who survives this war? Global markets shift. New transparency standards crush weak stablecoins. They crack. They fail. No hiding in shadows. Only real reserves survive. Watch your assets. Big market purge starts now. Tether CEO drops bombshell. Crypto merges with giant global banks. Old finance wall crumbles. Digital gold joins traditional systems. Watch closely. Power shifts right now. Finance changes forever. Behind closed doors, central bankers are panicking. Tether integration is spreading fast, threatening their monopoly on money. Emergency meetings are underway right now. Can they stop this crypto wave before fiat collapses? Central banks launch digital coins, try kill Tether, but citizens reject government money. State coins lack trust. Tether prove real reserves. People choose math over politicians. Power shifts start now. Paper money dies. Trust shifts to verified reserves. Global markets choose Tether. Old fiat systems crumble overnight. Can you feel global financial ground shifting beneath feet right now? Audit proved Tether safe. Greenback died. Now, sovereign nations dump paper money, adopting USDT as official reserve currency. Global finance changed forever. The old order collapsed. Are you ready for what comes next? Look at your cash. It's burning away, losing value every single second. The digital future is already here, waiting in your wallet. So, what's your move? Will you adapt now or sink with the old system?